Apple?
Yes, baby.
What are we doing?
We are picking up our... It's actually my babies. Glories ค่ะใช่ค่ะไทยรัฐค่ะเองมีเข้าร่มไหมไม่ร้อนอากาศ Let's go to this place.
Don't let them out.
How can I shake them?
Just
Hi,
take this.
Okay, let's bring them into
All right, you guys. So our have arrived. We just picked them up. They have a courier service that just does birds, and it's mostly catering to high-end cockfighting birds, which are worth a lot of money here in Thailand. And so anyway, they have an air-conditioned little truck, and it runs around and it does all the shipping and delivery of those animals. So we have 1 male and 2 female. They are about, how old are they, Apple?
The seller said 2 months.
About 2 months old, so they definitely have some size on them already. And we have a nice air-conditioned vehicle, and we are going to get them back home and get them put away. We have some temporary housing and then some permanent housing being worked on as well. So that is today's excitement. You guys are going to get to see some a little bit different for DM Exotics channel, but it's going to be quite an adventure, and Apple is very excited.
Okay, I will bring you guys to see my pet chickens. Working boots. Okay. Make sure we close the door. And I will start with morning glories because I love these. Here's my pets. They are emus actually. Come here, baby. So I have 1 boy and 2 girls, Oscar, Leia, and Queenie. The seller says they are about 2 months old, but in my opinion, they look bigger. It might be 3 or 4 months old. They're really cute. They're forgetful easy sometimes. Sometimes they remember me, sometimes they're not. When they're happy, they like to do their little dance. They're spinning around, they're jumping in the air, they're rolling on the floor. Really cute. Really curious, like if I wear some jewelry, or sometimes we're picking at my boots. Right now they're picking on my rings, but it's nothing harm them on me right now. They will grow about 1.5 meters to 2 meters, and they will get full grown in 12 months, and they will be able to do breeding in about 20 months. So we will wait and see. Yay! That's my finger. They love to play with waters. That's why we have two water buckets here and some hanging, and we have some chicken feed for them right there. I mean, for them to eat, and some veggies. They like morning glories. They eat a lot of variety of vegetables. They made a little cute sound as you hear. That's Malaya. She just did some little dance. That's Leia. This one Queenie. This one Oscar. That's Queenie. That's Oscar right there. That's a boy. That's my ring. There you go.
All right, everyone. So those are Apple's new chickens. I call them chickens. Those are the new emus. Something that she really wanted. She actually wanted ostriches to begin with, and I just didn't think that those would be the thing to get our feet wet with. And they are a bit dangerous because they're so damn big. So the emus they were a compromise, kind of with a bit of safety in mind, and as well as size. They won't get as big, but for the future, who knows? But I just wanted to show you guys that. There's a lot of things going on here. And that is it. Apple's emu. Tonight we are headed out for a night walk. We haven't done this in a while because we've been out of town. I'm out here going to the emu pen to get Apple's boots, and there's a tokay gecko sitting on her boot, and it's actually quite funny. You can see the nose. Oh, look, there we go. Strong, yes. So, apparently, Apple, I think the tokay geckos have moved in since we've been gone. So, this is a girl. So, I know you don't want them around the house because they poop a lot. But
no, I don't want them. Put them in the coconut tree or somewhere.
We're here.
Mm-hmm. She will find her way.
That didn't work. Yeah, she'd find her way right back to our house.
Oh no. I just don't want the cat to find her.
Well, go live with the emus then if you don't want to be.
She might be mean to the emus. Oh no. Baby, get her out, please.
All right, you guys, so one last thing. This one is a little bit different tonight because you are guaranteed to see snakes, because we were dropped off some snakes earlier today, so we're going to release them. So no matter what we find out there, you are going to see snakes. So let's get walking. We're going to do this one on foot. You guys, I have goosebumps right now. I have never seen one of these before. This is a viper. Check this out. Holy crap. That is a first for me. I have never seen this in this area.
Nugaba.
Okay, you guys, this is a Malayan pit viper, and I cannot believe it. I absolutely cannot believe it. Perfect camouflage for the leaf litter here. It's not a very big snake, and I don't think they get very big. Wow, I can't believe it. This is so cool. And you guys, this is not the snakes that we have in the bag. We just found this walking on this trail right here. I'm blown away right now. I've seen so many snakes out here, and I was actually somewhat doubtful because some people were saying that there's pit vipers and things, and there's so many snakes that look like this. The kukris look like this. There's just so many, but here it is. Spend some time out here and you just never know what you're gonna see. That is amazing. This is so cool. I don't know how toxic this snake is. Of course, it is a venomous snake and I'm not willing to find out, but it could be pretty hot and it could be not. But I'm leaning towards probably not a very fun time if this thing bites you. Alright, you guys, with that, I'm going to let this snake go on about its business. We still have a couple more snakes to show you that are in those bags. As I said, this is not one of them. And I'm blown away. This is just one of those moments you add things to the list of animals that you see out in a particular area. And here is yet another one. I'm beside myself. This is cool. This was totally unexpected. All right, so there you go. Get a good shot of it in the leaf litter. You can see the camouflage is just amazing there. Yeah, dude, that is so awesome.
That's the cookie me 5, baby.
All right, you guys, let's take a look at these snakes in the bag and give you guys a good look here. This first one is another Laotian wolf snake, which you saw already in one of our previous videos. This snake came from the temple, and the reason that we're letting it go here is because the other one that we found that was in our video was actually here. It was across the way there. So if that snake is still around, we let this one go and hopefully they find each other. This looks like a female, and if I remember correctly, I think the other one was a male. So we're going to let this one go. Lycodon. I'm just going to toss it over here and let it kind of go on its business. Go away. Go the other way. All right. All right, and I am going to show you the other snake that's in this bag here. This is one of those little kukris, one of the striped variants. Quite interesting. Now this feels like an egg. So I am going to let this one go on about its business and check this bag and see if there are in fact any eggs that were laid in this bag. It's the season right now for this stuff. And yes, there are. There is one egg. I'll check it in a minute. There's two other eggs that are pretty dehydrated. And I have a light somewhere. I'll just use my headlamp. This egg here is infertile, and I'm not sure about these. This egg is fertile, or was fertile, and this one infertile. So rather than taking this home, I think I'm gonna just find a moist spot and kind of bury it up to the best of my ability, and maybe something will happen with it. Okay, you guys, that is it. We've updated you. That's pretty much where we're at in the whole scheme of things. I think we still have one video from Bangkok that we still need to put out for you guys to see. We are going to do a house update here in the very, very near future. But that's about it. We're back at home. That's the latest. And we got a Malayan pit viper. I am stoked on that. What a surprise. Unbelievable. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate all your support, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.